Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, April 29. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT. So today we are going to take a look at the dollar index, and here is the 45 minutes chart. We can see currently we ended with 3 in the minor degree here and with 4 completed here. So we are within the wave 5 in the minor degree right now, and within the wave 5 it subdivides into another 5 waves, in which we ended with 1 of 5 over here. This is the minute degree, this is wave 2 of 5 in the minute degree, and we are now in progress to finish 3 of 5 with a 4 and another leg lower 5 of 5 to finish a 5 waves down, okay, in the minor degree. So shorter cycle we can expect for the downside here after the FOMC, the dollar slides. Any rally should fail in 3711 swing in the US dollars right now for the downside in the dollar. Okay, so looking slightly at the higher degree, now we notice this is the 3 and 4 in the minor degree. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. So this is the same 3 and 4, and this is your 1 and 2 approximately. So we are now in progress to finish with 5 coming down from March 31st. Okay, so this is March 31st, and we are now within wave 5, right? So again, back to this 1-hour chart. So this is 1 of 5, this is 2 of 5, and should be looking for 3 of 5, and then another 4 of 5, 5 of 5 before possibly finishing this 5 waves down. Now if you take a look at the RSI, the momentum, so far we still see a divergence right here. So then that means we can still count it this way, that we are ending with 5. Now let's say if the decline becomes very strong, let's say, and accelerates, and then the momentum actually erase this divergence, right? RSI erase the divergence. So then there is a possibility this is actually some sort of a nest. It is possible we are in a nest, or this could be, we can also call it this way, 1 and 2, and then that means we are within with 3 of 3 if the divergence get erased. Now as far as the divergence is still there, we can take the more conservative view that we are at the end of wave 5. But again, if it starts to get strengthening, the decline starts to actually accelerate, then and then divergence erase, then it is actually becoming more bearish than what it is. All right, but that's kind of like the medium term, right? Shorter cycle, very simple. We should be looking for the downside. That's it. Shorter cycle, it doesn't matter we erase or not erase. We should still see for the downside to finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within the wave 5, and even the minimum target right here. If you measure the 100% extension of this 1 and 2 from the 4, you can see right here. Let's pick 4 here. You can see we have a possibility, this 3 in black, to reach 90.4 and potentially can go all the way to 90, which is the 1.618, and then with the 4 and 5 coming down again. So you need to be able to see a clear 5 ways down starting from the 4 here before you can entertain the possibility it might be finished with a 5 ways down. Alright, so that's the update here, and as always, if you want to get further updates on the Forex, Commodities, Indices, we do have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the YouTube video. Alright, so I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day everyone.